Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix Facebook Messenger switch account problem. So first of all, what you have to do is check your internet connection. If you're using cellular data, simply switch to a Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi connection is slow, then try switching it to another one. Now step 1 is complete. Now step 2 is to clear your cache. So in order to clear your cache, what you have to do is simply go to the settings, and what you have to do is simply scroll down and go to apps, right? Simply scroll down and go to apps, and now go to manage apps. Now here what you have to do is simply search for Messenger, right? Simply tap on Messenger, and what you have to do is simply tap on the clear data button at the bottom right corner. Now what you have to do is simply tap on clear cache. Now hit OK to clear the caches. Now what you have to do is update the application. In order to update the application, what you have to do is simply go to the Play Store at first, and then simply search for Messenger, right? Simply search for Messenger, and this is the icon that you have to open. Now it will show you an update button, and simply tap on update, and your phone your application will be updated. Now what you have to do is restart your phone and reopen the application, and the problem you're facing will be solved. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Comment down your thoughts, and until then, goodbye.